Welcome back again in the CNC channel. This time, I will gonna show how to make simple queue in Mikrotik. What the function of queue? If you want have a connection and want to user have the same average connection, you must set queue in Mikrotik because if you don't set the queue, the user will also have full connection for each other. So the shortest route will have faster connection. How to set the queues in Mikrotik? You can just click queues menu in here and then click plus sign in here. For example, this is for front office. I will make this example. For target is your IP address. Okay, if your client have this connection, for example in VLAN 2, I'm using range IP for 192.188.25.1/24, and here I will show you in my PC or laptop. Okay, I will have same subnet with my Mikrotik IP address in here. So I'm as client in here now. Let's try to ping the connection. How fast I can get from router Mikrotik. Okay, you can see there is almost 3 megabytes per second or just 2 megabytes, and we will make this connection just 512 kilobytes, and we punch for all user have the same average connection. Okay, you can see there in download speed I have 1.97, and I will using VLAN 2 because my client have VLAN 2 in here. For destination is it's better using all this if you just still newbie about routing process, and I will try to post this in other uh, video. Okay, max limit is using 2, for example in here, and burst limit I will using unlimited, and this is for limit at I just want all user have 512 kilobytes connection speed. For download also, upload and download is 500 I'm sorry 512 kilobytes. It's smaller than these values for max limit. Okay, let's just click apply in here. Upload max limit and download max limit is 20 or I mean 2 megabytes, and for limit add is 512 kilobytes, and try to make ping again. If slower, we will you can see there is have mixed connection here for a red sign in here. Okay, now uh, you have min in here. What the 2 megabytes is approximately here. And now you just want the user is have only 768 kilobytes. Okay, you can click apply, and the limit, this is the minimum connection, is 512 kilobytes. You can click apply now, and let's try to ping again. Okay, maximum connection is uh, smaller than 1 megabytes. It's approximately 768 kilobytes. Okay, now the connection is reached. Because the download metric is not more than 1 megabytes, it's only will have smaller values, I think. So you can just see the download metrics, because my internet connection, it's only slower for upload. Okay, now that's all tutorial how to make simple queue in Mikrotik router. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will back with another tutorial for networking and programming, of course. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.